If you want TaskMagic to log into your WordPress website or when you create automation, here's how you do it. For the first step, you need to have the URL. Add a specific page URL you want to work with. In this example, it's the WooCommerce products page. Add the login details when you create the automation for the first time. You don't need to save them in the automation. Just enter them here. Then on the Chromium browser, next click the Remember Me button and the Submit button. You will see a notification asking you if you want to save the login details. Click OK. Now you can start recording your automation, which will save the login details. If you see that it's not remembering you, just add a click on Submit at the beginning of your automation. This will use the login details you saved in the browser passwords. If you don't want to stay logged in between automations, then add the Submit button step. Also include a delay because sometimes this is the biggest issue that prevents the automation from functioning properly.